Hey there, good afternoon, everybody. It's Wednesday, July 9th. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jason Boyer, and I certainly appreciate you being here and listening to what I have to say. You can follow me on Facebook, on X, on Instagram, of course, YouTube. Just go to @JasonBoyerWeather, and you will find me there. Hey, want to get an update on what is happening here weather-wise. We have a lot of thunderstorm activity happening, and a lot of people are, the anxiety level is pretty high across the state, really, for the potential of any flash flooding. And the key to this is we are not looking at anything widespread when it comes to flash flooding. So right now the radar obviously pretty active, as you see here. We have most of the activity more scattered than anything else. It's not even that organized at this point. A lot of it is happening farther to the east of Asheville. Some of the bigger storms are happening up into Burke County, Mitchell County, Avery County, over into areas of Wilkes County. I'm going to take you up there because, unfortunately, our neighbors just outside the mountains have flash flooding concerns. These are severe thunderstorm warning and flash flood warnings for Wilkes, Allegheny, and Surrey counties up here north of Mulberry and to Cherry Lane near Mount Airy. These are areas that have had repeated thunderstorms, very heavy rain, and so we want you to be aware of that. This includes Yadkin County in terms of the severe thunderstorm warning, but it includes Allegheny, Surrey, and Wilkes County when it comes to the flash flooding. So let's get back to our mountains, and yes, we do have some heavy rain pocketed around the region. It's rained a couple of times at my house today in southern Buncombe County, and this is kind of the theme for the rest of the evening. Let's show you what it looks like 24-hour rainfall totals. They're not extreme, right? Not here, at least. We've seen up to an inch of rain in some spots, maybe a little more farther to the west and north of Asheville. But the numbers are much higher, obviously, where we have the flash flooding ongoing right now here into Wilkes County. You see these colors change. We've seen a Doppler estimated 3 to 4 inches of rain already in today, really, in those areas. So that is a concern. The future radar is going to show us that we are looking at the activity to continue for the rest of the afternoon, and some of these storms may get more organized late day, especially to the south and east of Asheville into our upstate communities and foothill locations. So I will be watching these areas along the 85 corridor, closer to I-77 corridor, for the possibility of severe weather, and there might even be a severe thunderstorm watch at some point issued. It hasn't been issued yet. Storm fuel, anything you see yellow and red, pretty high storm fuel. That means these storms have potential to grow into strong, if not isolated, severe storms. So the severe threat today remains isolated for most. Tomorrow, it doesn't change much. This is Thursday, still looking at isolated to most scattered severe storms, damaging wind, hail possible. The area of biggest concern, again, will be east of Asheville, east of I-26 into the upstate and into the foothills as well, the I-26 and I-85 corridors. The flash flood threat today is certainly highest to the east. That's why you can see the red shaded area that is certainly more risky in terms of the flash flooding. That's where we'll be watching from Greensboro and areas like Asheboro north into southwest Virginia and central Virginia for the possibility of flash flooding for the day today. That's what I wanted to get you updated on. Again, no concerns, at least at this very moment, as of this recording, which was 3:20 to 3:25 this afternoon. We don't have any active warnings. All right, that's the update for now. I'll show you when we might get a little break from these storms coming up later this week.